Behind me is my amazingly overpriced Porsche Cayman, according to Pedro. I'm sure he's gonna comment on this. We are doing a Clearplex installation on this thing today. So that's a protective film designed to stop rock chips from damaging the windshield. And the reason that's important is on a car like this, the windshield is of course expensive, but also you gotta be trained to put it in. So do you really want somebody crawling all over the car from Safelite or whatever, putting in the windshield of your Porsche or Lamborghini or McLaren or whatever? So the Clearplex product is very popular amongst exotic cars. This one's probably pretty standard for them to do, if I'm being honest. I'm sure Cayman's not really too crazy for them, but we have a McLaren 720S out front that one's probably one that Safelite doesn't see very often. So Clearplex is becoming an increasingly popular product offering here at Blackout, and behind me, Nate is our Clearplex expert, and he's currently trying to get the windshield wiper off of this thing. It's being very stubborn. We usually pull the wipers off. We have all the tools to do it, but this one's being really difficult to get off. So we're gonna show you a video of the heat molding process and of the installation process, and hopefully the finished product. So after the initial mold that Nate did, we need to trim off a lot of the excess and then do one more heat check basically to get it to flatten out perfectly. Then we'll do our final trim and then we'll do our install. All right guys, so the Clearplex is done on the GT4. You can see, or you can't see I guess, that it is completely invisible. This material has no tint to it. You really can't tell that it's there other than about 1/8 of an inch gap all the way around. And right now it's curing, so you might be able to see it on camera, but I doubt it. There are some small moisture pockets underneath the film that are drying out. But now I can take this thing on a track, I can take it on rallies, I can drive around with my friends and not worry about the windshield getting cracked. And that's exciting. So thank you very much for watching. If you have a car that you need Clearplex on, make sure you give us a call. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video.